Hello my friends! Today I would like to show you something really easy, but it will get your home cooking to another level. How to make clarified butter and clarified butter with rosemary. Let's start! First, you put the whole butter in the casserole and melt it. When the butter is liquid, put on low heat and keep it another 10 minutes. You can observe how the fat separates from the milk and the milk stays on the bottom. On the top is also a thin layer of evaporate water. Remove it carefully with a spoon. But never remove the butter with a spoon. We wanna keep the pure butter fat. In the end, you take a towel and pass the butter through the towel, leaving milk in the casserole. Let it cool down. Then you can put it in the fridge. There it can stay for some months. The same process you repeat for clarified butter with rosemary. Chop the rosemary into small pieces that the butter can absorb all the aroma. The only difference here is that you keep heating the butter a bit longer on the lowest fire, approximately 30 to 40 minutes. In comparison to normal butter, this time the milk and the water stays on the top. Remove it with a spoon. Pass through the towel the same way like with the normal clarified butter. And that's it. And my last advice: put the butter in your life. Now we have these two delicious butters, ready for frying all kind of meat. Thanks for watching. And if you like it, don't forget to subscribe on my channel.